Do you ever drive to work, open your computer, and suddenly see the message we all hate?
Had some obstacles that resulted in a hard reset to OSTN. Hard reset, hard reset.
So I know this seems like a really annoying thing to have to go through every time, but let me just show you just how quick it actually is. So we're going to set a timer. Here we go. And just do it. So I need to connect to my instance first. And there we go. Tmux attach. Hit Control C. There we go. We disconnected from that session. Then we're going to run the node script. Want to clean up the old logs? Yes. That's done. Then we're going to detach, Control B, D, there we go. And then we're going to run the whole create validator script. And press return, BLS passphrase, then the passphrase. Now it will say that I've already created a validator, and that's fine because I already did this morning. Validator already exists, but there we stop the clock at 49 seconds. I actually think it was more like 48 seconds, but that's less than a minute to restart the node. Now it does say error, staking transaction error. The staking validator already exists, but that's because my staking validator already exists. But everything else, if you're restarting on a hard restart, less than a minute. Boom!